welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. It's a beautiful day in Sohra. Today it was so foggy when we came from Shillong, but the sun has come up, the clouds has cleared up. Right now we are in Eco Park and we're gonna trek down there and come have another day with us. See you! It's super windy.
So we're finally made it and we're all wet, hands are all wet, faces are all wet. It's so refreshing at the same time. Yeah, the falls is so huge. So we made it back and she is so damn tired, so I have to do the talking. And it's all foggy.
So we found a nice little spot to have our lunch and now we're gonna take some videos. Okay. Hi! So now we are going to another location. Oh my gosh, that's a dragonfly. Okay. Ugh. We're going to another location. We're going to Kenrem. So let's just go. We're finally here. Oh, it's so tall. It's so tall. Ah! It is raining so much. Let's go. I don't know how she's using that as an umbrella. Where are we going now? We're going to Mamalo. How are you feeling? That was the fourth waterfall we saw today. So guys, thank you for spending the day with us. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a beautiful view of the Seven Sisters Falls behind us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Yeah.